Namaskar, you're watching the Common Times news updates. In a bid to promote awareness and environmental protection, World Environment Day was celebrated at NTPC Talcher Kaniha on 5th of June 2020.
All other species of this earth, and let us contribute to make them survive. By this way, we will create a greener environment and a better future for our next generation. Thank you.
Speaking on the occasion, Chief General Manager Shri Sudeep Nag highlighted the importance of this day and its inception since 1972 to enhance awareness about protecting our environment. We are witnessing unprecedented calamities which are sending a message to the mankind that we urgently need to step up for protection of the environment, Shri Nag said. He further elucidated the need for sustainability as a part of our lives at the individual level. Highlighting various initiatives by NTPC Limited such as the push towards renewable sources of energy, he spoke about the usage of advanced technology at plants to minimize carbon footprint, paperless initiatives which have resulted in saving of 3 crores of paper equivalent to 4,000 fully grown trees. NTPC has planted more than 34 million trees in and around its projects to maintain ecological balance. In this endeavor, NTPC Talcher Kaniha has over the years planted more than 14.6 lakh trees for restoring ecological balance and biodiversity. NTPC Kaniha Township has been declared as a single-use plastic-free zone. Participants on the occasion planted fruit saplings at its Stage 2 township to commemorate the special day. In his concluding remark, Shri Nag focused on the sustainability initiatives of the station such as ash utilization, R&M of ESP, the inclusion of new systems such as FGD, dry ash extraction systems, etc. This year's Environment Day is themed as Celebrating Biodiversity, which calls for rethinking our relationship with the natural ecosystem. The ceremony ended with a pledge administered in Hindi by Shri Sudeep Nag, followed by English and Odia by Shri N.S. Rao, GM O&M, and Shri K.K. Das, GM FM. Head of the departments, senior officials, representatives of unions and associations, and senior executive members of Tanveer Sangram were present.
हम सभी सत्यनिष्ठा से शपथ लेते हैं कि अपने पर्यावरण को स्वच्छ एवं प्रदूषण मुक्त रखने के लिए सभी प्रकार के प्रयास करेंगे। इस धरती को स्वच्छ एवं प्रदूषण मुक्त रखेंगे।
Zulfikar Hussain, The Common Times, Angul.